WeDriveSolar is a car sharing company with 100% electric cars based in Utrecht. But not just focused on car sharing, but also on balancing the grid. Mobility is service number one, and the smart charging really helps to make that even better. We have a close cooperation with grid operators and energy specialists. Basically what we are doing is between the reservations in the car sharing, we enable the cars for smart charging, and in the near future also for bidirectional charging. So between reservations, you know exactly when the next reservation will be. We charge the car at the most optimum moment. So when there's a lot of renewable energy, when the prices are low, and when there's no grid congestion. For the end user, there's really no limitations. They can book whenever they want, they can use the car whenever they want. We make sure that there are always cars that are charged with enough state of charge. Yeah, the mission of WeDriveSolar is really to speed up the implementation of bidirectional charging. We see that there's a huge potential when you use bidirectional charging with a lot of electric cars to enable the transition to a 100% renewable energy system. With a lot of solar, with a lot of wind, you need a lot of storage. And the cars can provide that if you enable them and if you connect them to the grid. Our aim in the business model is really to make as much money with the smart charging and the bidirectional charging as the actual charging of the cars to drive them costs. And with that we can reduce the price for our end users in using the cars. Enervalis for us is our main partner to do the smart charging and the bidirectional charging. So they have the data from the charging stations, they can communicate with them, they have the data from the reservation database, and they have the connection with the cars and the state of charge. And with that they provide the algorithm and provide the smart charging. So we get the most out of the different energy markets that are available for us. For us, Enervalis is a strategic partner to really also further develop the way this can be done. You have different markets that are all in development, and especially now the energy markets are going crazy and it's going everywhere. And then you need a partner to consult with, to advise and to make decisions and choices on what's best to do. So do we have to focus on the day-ahead market or the balancing market or the reserve market? So it's not just a partner that operates for us, but also advises and helps us make the right decisions.